4 easy one-person businesses to start using ChatGPT. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in November of last year, the release of ChatGPT revolutionized the world of artificial intelligence as it can answer any question in written form like a human. Many experts believe that this new technology has the potential to replace current internet search engine like Google and Bing. ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI, one of the world's leading AI labs, and ChatGPT gained 1 million users within just 7 days of its release. Not only can ChatGPT explain concept in a way that is easy for people to understand and provide accurate information, but it can also act as a personal tutor or teacher, providing their user free educational resources. And the good thing about this platform is that this platform is for free. Yes, this platform is for free because they are still in early stage, but maybe in the future this platform will no longer for free, but we are not sure about that. But I guess there are many people who are still willing to pay for this. I've been using this platform for days and I can say that this platform is so powerful and it go beyond my expectation. So now I will show you some easy way that you can use ChatGPT for business and earn money online. So you can start your very own AI powered business in only a few days time. So here are the business ideas that you can start right now using the ChatGPT. So the first one is copywriting. So copywriting is the process of writing text for the purpose of advertising or other forms of marketing. The goal of copywriting is to persuade a reader or viewer to take a specific action such as purchasing a product or service, visiting a website, or signing up for a newsletter or to your website. So for copywriting, ChatGPT can help you generate headlines and body copy that align with the tone and style of your business, as well as persuasive call to action that encourage readers to take a specific action such as visiting a website, make a purchase, or signing up inside your website. So here to achieve that goal, again, it's important to note that for you to get good result inside ChatGPT, you must provide relevant data or information and write an effective prompt in order for this platform to generate a high quality copywriting for your product. So as you can see here, I type in, write me a header and copy about my business property data. As you can see here, Copy GPT give you me this header, which is really good. Maximize your business potential with accurate property data. So also, it includes the text over here. As a business owner, having access to accurate and up-to-date property data can make all the difference in making informed decision about your real estate investment. Our business property data provides you with a comprehensive view of your commercial properties, including information on zoning, demographics, and market trends. So as you can see here, as you read this copy, it's really good, and you can also add something here, like for example, add some call to action. And as you can see here, they are now trying to rewrite the copy and it will include the call to action. So as you can see here, this is the call to action. And by the way, for copywriting services, you can find clients from Fiverr, Upwork, or any other freelancing website. So the second business idea is implementing ChatGPT translation feature. So using this platform, you can translate messages or copy. For example, we have our copy here, and if we want this copy in a different language, like Chinese, for example, then you can just simply ask ChatGPT to turn this into Chinese. And as you can see here, it will start to translate the text into Chinese. So same with the other one, you can also offer this service to different clients. So you can find clients from different freelancing websites like Upwork and Fiverr. And the good thing about this platform is that it's still new. As I mentioned, that it's just released last year of November, and not everyone knows this platform yet. So you need to take advantage of this one. And the third business ideas is customer service. One of the most obvious ways to use chat-based technology like ChatGPT is for customer service. So by providing a quick and easy way for customers to get in touch with your business, you can improve customer satisfactions and reduce frustration for your client's customer. For example, if you have an irate customer who wants to get a refund, but a refund is not possible, you can ask ChatGPT to write a friendly business email to the irate customer that a refund can't be processed since service is non-refundable and an email was sent days ago informing about the next payment to be taken out. And with that, as you can see, ChatGPT is now writing you a friendly business email you can use for your irate customers. So here, as you can see, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing in regards to your recent request for a refund for our service. I apologize for any inconvenience or frustration that you may be experiencing. I would like to inform you that our service are non-refundable, and we have previously sent an email to you a few days ago informing you that the next payment would be taken out. We apologize if this information was not clear to you. We understand that you may not be satisfied with our service, and we would like to do everything we can do to rectify this situation. Please do not hesitate to reach out to us. So as you can see here, this email is really good. So you just need to copy and paste this one and directly send it to your irate customer. Then the fourth business ideas is for e-commerce and dropshipping businesses. So with this platform, you can help e-commerce and dropshipping business to write a website copy about any products that you are or your clients are selling. You just need to write an effective prompt, and this platform will generate a high quality website copy about your product. And you may also change the writing style to fit in your business style and tone. For example, you want it to be lively, energetic, or fun, then you can just enter the text or the keywords. So as you can see here, I just type in write me a website copy about my art business. And here I just included the keyword, which is this style of writing that I like, which is energetic and professional. So with that, I will just go ahead and click enter. And with that, ChatGPT will write me a website copy. So just wait for a few seconds. So as you can see here, the ChatGPT is now writing me this kind of website copy. Welcome to the world of business, the name of business where art and energy come together to create something truly unique and captivating. Our art business specializes in creating one-of-a-kind pieces that are designed to energize and inspire. Whether you're looking for a bold statement piece for your living room or a slick, modern design to add some flair to your office, we got you covered. See how good that message is? Our team of skilled artists and designers are dedicated to creating works that are not only visual striking, but also imbued with a sense of energy and movement. See, this is really a good website copy. So you can just copy this one and paste it inside your website. And if you're able to impress your customer, they will gonna buy your product or services inside your website. So that's how this platform works. So you can see how good this platform is. So I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope that you learned something today, and thank you so much for watching.